Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you the $128 million Mega Mansion 7 Upper Phillimore Gardens. The $128 million Mega Mansion 7 Upper Phillimore Gardens, Kensington, is a wealthy neighborhood in the Royal Borough of Kensington and Chelsea located west of central London Kensington High Street, which runs east-west in the district's commercial hub Kensington Gardens, which includes the Albert Memorial. The Serpentine Gallery and Speaks Monument is located to the northeast. Imperial College London, the Royal College of Music, the Royal Albert Hall, the Natural History Museum, the Victoria and Albert Museum and the Science Museum are all located in South Kensington. In Gloucester Road, numerous international embassies and consulates are located in the region, as are homes of many politicians and billionaires. The Manor of Kensington in the county of Middlesex was one of several hundred granted by Geoffrey de Montbray or Mowbray, Bishop of Court Answers. In Normandy, one of King William the Conqueror's inner circle of advisors and one of the wealthiest men in post-conquest England by King William the Conqueror. According to the Domesday Book, he handed the tenancy of Kensington to his follower Aubrey de Vere, the first who was holding the manor from him as overlord in 1086, Robert de Mowbray. The bishop's heir rebelled against King William E, and his enormous feudal baronry was surrendered to the crown after 1095. Aubrey de Vere the first became a tenant-in-chief, holding directly from the king, elevating his prominence in medieval England. At the request of his eldest son Geoffrey, he gave the church and an acreage inside the manor to Abingdon Alley in Oxfordshire, because the divers were not residents of the manor and their mineral business was performed in a courthouse. Rather than the Great Hall of a manor house, when they become Earls of Oxford, their major manor at Kensington became known as Earls Court. And new barracks were built in Kensington. Church Street. Upper Phillimore Gardens is a street in Kensington that stretches for around 250 meters. Upper Phillimore Gardens is part of the Kensington and Chelsea London Borough Council, which is responsible for services such as rubbish collection and council tax collection. Most popular house for sale in London in 2017 was this $1 million Kensington estate with the wine cellar, pool and theatre, as said earlier. In 2017, the mansion's internet listing was seen 83,000 times, making it the UK's 7th most popular online listing. And the most clicked on London property, it has 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, 4 reception rooms, a cinema, pool, sauna, wine vault and roof terrace. From the hall, you can go to all 3 principal rooms on the raised ground level. A beautiful bay window can be found in the drawing room. Below the drawing room is connected to the formal dining room, as well as the yard. A swimming pool and spa facility are located on the lower ground floor. A sauna and steam room, a jacuzzi, massage area, showers, a changing space and a gym are all available. In the spa section in the sub-basement there is a cinema with seating for up to 12 people, a temperature-controlled wine vault with storage for up to 1251 bottles, a utility room and plant rooms are located on the premises. A twisting spiral staircase leads up to the higher stories. The master suite is located on the first level and includes separate dressing rooms and baths for him and her. The majority of the other guest rooms feature private bathrooms or shower facilities. The master suite also has access to the roof terrace with panoramic views of the city. The Phillimore estate is situated between 2 of London's largest parks, Holland Park and Kensington Palace Gardens. Hyde Park to the north of Kensington High Street.